Hello! In this video, we will see how to access Chat GPT. First, search for Chat GPT login. Here, click to open the link chat.openai.com. Click on Sign up to make your account. Here, you need to give your email address. You can also use your Google or Microsoft account. Then, click on Continue. Now, type in your password. Click on Continue. ChatGPT will send a verification email. Open your Gmail account to confirm verification. As you can see here, you need to click on Verify Email Address. Once verification is done, it will ask you for first and last name. Then give your birthday. After that, click on Continue. And you're in. Your ChatGPT is now ready. You can also verify your phone number to make your account more secure. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.